G'day all. Day 14 is here. I didn't do a video yesterday because more important matters came up, like I had to go crabbing because it's crab time. But anyway, day 14, is that an anniversary? I don't know. We'll call it one anyway. There was a little bit of fun action earlier this morning because now it's 6:15 and it's sort of semi-light. And we'll get in a bit closer. It's semi-light now and they're doing their thing quite actively, I have to say. But this morning when it was dark, I thought I'll come out and I'll beat them to it and come out in the dark and see what's what early. And when I came out, I could just see without the light that there were a few bees around the entrance, but they weren't flying yet. They were just sort of sticking their heads out to see the thing, I suppose. And so I tried to film a short, which you can have a look at. It's over in the channel there somewhere. Tried to film a short in the dark, didn't work. So obviously I'm going to have to put the light on. The camera, the phone light thing. Well, that was a mistake. They do not like bright lights in their eyes early in the morning. I got attacked. I don't know whether it was attacked because I didn't get stung, but I certainly got swarmed. They swarmed the light. So I had to call it off from there. Anyway, here we are. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to block those holes up. You see those bees there? They go in there. They don't do anything. They don't stay in there. But I don't want them building comb in there. So I'm going to have to get some, I don't know what, some insect mesh and just put it over those holes, maybe on the inside, so that the air can still flow, but the girls can't get in there. Sounds reasonable. Because we want them going in there, not in the top. So I guess we've got another week or so of this. Hopefully the bee suit will be back by then. And we can open it up and inspect the frames and hopefully put the honey box on top, the AutoFlow, what do they call it? AutoFlow Super. So it's almost a, no, I probably showed it. I'll show it when I put it on. It's almost an exact copy of the flow frames, BeeHive frames. Anyway, that's it for today. Catch you tomorrow.